Hola friends, and welcome back to another Letter B show. So today we are going to continue to learn about the letter B. So we have talked about the uppercase letter B, and we've also talked about the lowercase letter b. And today we are going to do something that starts with the letter B. So the kindergarten readiness goals that you're going to learn about today are: you are going to listen and respond to stories that are read to you. Response means that you are going to answer questions. So you need to turn your listening ears on and make sure you're paying attention. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over proper book handling. And that means I'm going to show you how to hold a book and read a book. All right, so what are we going to do today? We are going to read a pretty cool book. And this book is called Peekaboo with Spotty Dog. Peekaboo with Spotty Dog. And we're reading a book today because book starts with the letter B. All right, so I'm gonna move my letter B out the way so we can make sure that you see my cool little book. So I've told you what the title of this book is, but do you know what animal is on this picture? What type of animal is this? That's right, it's a dog. And what sound does a dog make? That's right, he goes woof, 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 woof. That's right, so Spotty the dog, he's a dog and he makes the sound woof, woof. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the parts of the book. So right now you are looking at the front of the book. This is the front of the book. And then this side is the back of the book. Okay, so this is the front of the book. And this is the back of the book. All right, and then this little piece right here is called the spine. And the spine is what holds the book together, so when you open it, it does not fall apart. See, this right here is the spine. It holds the book together. So Miss Bacon always has a special song that she sings right before she reads a book. And it lets you know who writes the book and who draws the pictures. So listen up. The author writes the story and then he names the book. The illustrator draws the pictures. Now let's take a look. So that's my song that I sing every time I'm getting ready to read a story. And I'm going to sing it one more time. So next time I read a story, you'll be able to sing it with me. Are you ready? The author writes the story and then he names the book. The illustrator draws the pictures. Now let's take a look. All right, so we are going to open the book by carefully turning the page. All right, and I'm going to hold it up just a little bit so I can make sure that you can see my cool little pictures. All right. Cheeky cat is hiding. Is he in the fish pond? Is he climbing up the fence? So here's the fence. Do you see the cat on the fence? Let me turn my light down just a little bit to make sure you can see. There we go. So here is the fence. Do you see a cat on the fence? No, I don't. I don't see a cat on the fence either. What about in the pond? Do you see a cat in the pond? No, I don't see a cat there either. Uh-oh, someone's purring behind the bush. This is the bush. Who do you think could be behind the bush? That's right. It is the cat. Right here it says, Peekaboo, it's Cheeky the cat. He was hiding behind the bush. The bush was covering the cat up. Peekaboo. All right. Spotty dog is hiding. Is he by the warm fire? Uh-oh, where's the fire? So here's the fire. Do you see the dog by the fire? No, but I see a cat over there, and I see a mouse over there, and I even see a little bug over there. But I don't see the dog. Is he on the cozy armchair? So this is the armchair. Do you see the dog on the armchair? No, I don't either. Someone's barking at the door. Who do you think is barking at the door? Woof, 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 woof. Let's see who it is. Peekaboo! It's Spotty, dog. So there he is. He was barking at the door. Silly dog. Hoppy Rabbit is hiding. Is she by the crunchy cabbage? So look. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize you couldn't see the words. Let me say that again. Hoppy Rabbit is hiding. Is she by the crunchy cabbage? So here is the cabbage. Do you see a silly rabbit up here by the cabbage? No, I don't see the rabbit up there either. There's butterflies and a cat and a dog, but there's no rabbit. Is she in the red wheelbarrow? Here's the red wheelbarrow. Do you see the silly rabbit inside of the red wheelbarrow? No, I don't either. I only see the little mouse. Uh-oh, someone's crunching behind the greenhouse. Here's the greenhouse. Who do you think is crunching behind the greenhouse? Let's take a look. Peekaboo! It's Hoppy Rabbit. Look what that rabbit is crunching on. What do you think this rabbit is eating? That's right. The rabbit is eating a carrot. The rabbit is hiding behind the greenhouse eating a carrot because rabbits love carrots. I'm going to turn the page. Squeaky guinea pig is hiding. Is she behind the big oak tree? Uh-oh, so we're looking for the guinea pig, and here's the big oak tree. Do you see the guinea pig by the oak tree? No, I don't see the guinea pig by the oak tree either. Is she under the bench? Uh-oh, look over here. This right here is a bench. It's where people sit down at. Do you see the guinea pig by the bench? No, I don't either. Someone's rustling in the hutch. Who do you think it is? Uh-oh. Let's see. Gonna move the door. Peekaboo! It's Squeaky the guinea pig. Well, looky there. That guinea pig was hiding. Silly guinea pig. Turn the page. Hungry tortoise is hiding. We're looking for a tortoise. And if you don't know what a tortoise is, you're going to find out soon. Is he splashing in the bird bath? So look right here. This is the bird bath. Do you see the tortoise here? Oh no, that's right. So some of you don't know what a tortoise is. A tortoise is a type of turtle. So now since you know what a tortoise is, do you see him inside of the bird bath? No, I don't either. Is he up in the willow tree? So here's the willow tree. Do you see the tortoise in the willow tree? No, I don't either. But guess what? Someone's nibbling in the garden shed. Let's see who it is. Peekaboo! It's Hungry the tortoise. Now, all the pets can play together because you know what? It's the end of our story. There's no more pages to turn and we don't have any more animals to find. So, the end. And now we've made it to the back of the book. And it says, Peekaboo with Spotty Dog. So I turned it back over to the front. All right, friends, I'm super excited that you tuned in with me today. We read a story because book starts with the letter B. So here's my uppercase letter B, and here is my lowercase letter b. I hope you enjoyed reading this story today, and if you liked it a lot, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can look for the next time we have story time. And make sure you share the video with your friends because maybe they want to hear a story too. I hope to see you next time. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.